Hello, Jane and Reviews here, and today let me tell you why this is my favorite mug or tumbler. So this was a free sample provided by Swig Life, and I just love it. Now for fall, this pattern is named Pumpkin Patch, and it looks so pretty. So this is great to take to the office. This is great even to take to the gym if you're working out, and it fits the car perfectly. So it's like 40 ounces of liquid here, and you can remove the lid to fill in with ice. You can put the ice here, you can put coffee. I like to put lemonade or water, and then you can choose to sip with a straw, which is made of silicone and noise free, or you can choose to sip with the lid. It's up to you. So it keeps hot for 3 hours plus or cold for 24 hours plus. I like it. It's very beautiful. This is made of silicone, and this has all my hand fits through here, so I have a good grip when I'm holding it. And I just believe it's so cute, and they have different designs as well. I hope you check it out because they're great. Thank you for watching.